to be, êTRE. In our previous lessons, we learned how to say I am, je suis, you are, tu es, he is, il est. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to say she is. She is, elle est. She is, elle est. She is, elle est. Notice I'm not pronouncing the consonants at the end of the verb form. Elle est. You just hear the vowel, elle est. She is, elle est. Okay, so let's put it together with what we already know. To be, êTRE. She is, elle est. Nice, sympa. Pleasant, agréable. Funny, drôle. Optimistic, optimiste. Pessimistic, pessimiste. If you want to say she is nice, you would say elle est sympa. She's pleasant. Elle est agréable. She's funny. Elle est drôle. She's optimistic. Elle est optimiste. She's pessimistic. Elle est pessimiste. Remember the adjectives that have a masculine and feminine form? If I want to say she is fun, I would say elle est amusante. Elle est amusante. She's brilliant. Elle est brillante. Elle est brillante. She's tired. Elle est fatiguée. Elle est fatiguée. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.